Tattoo. 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 Putih. Tattoo. Putih. Vinegar. Sharp SEM. 5% alkaline. What's that smell? Mommy, I want you to do airplane. Mommy, I want you to do my airplane.
Hang on, sweetie girl.
Eat something.
Go.
Mommy, airplane.
Num num num. Show me. Here comes the airplane. Good job. That is Lini and Ate having for lunch.
Give me my money.
Yeah.
Love it. Love you, my naughty auntie.
I wanna
Airplane from the Philippines landing to Brisbane. Good job.
I'm Princess Lini.
Hey,
Princess Lini.
lady.
Yeah.
You are a princess, Lini. And Ate.
That's not princess.
Auntie's a stripe. Got a stripe.
A striped princess.
No, I think that's what that. That's not. Yesterday I
Tingnan yung
read
niluluto
the
ni Mami,
word
guys.
today. That's right.
Beef loaf na nilagyan
That's
ng
good.
itlog.
Because-
Pinas na pinas lang. Suka, tsaka toyo sa usawan. Ayan ang aming
Which one
lunch.
she's going to get?
Actually, yung
right?
kinakain ng mga kids ngayon ay
Who chooses?
ano,
Eagle.
steak.
Eagle.
Eagle.
Always says.
Eagle.
Igo. Anak, tell tita and tito now about yesterday.
What, guys? Yesterday something a miracle happened.
Was it a miracle?
Yeah. I got striped from my jiu-jitsu, my first ever stripe in my whole entire life. You might have known that. I don't know how many years ago I went to jiu-jitsu, but I think my mom and my dad thought I wasn't ready yet.
Did you really?
Yeah.
Did you?
Well,
Jiu-jitsu?
Yeah.
probably came there. Yeah.
Ah, yeah, true.
Yeah, that's right. It's cooked, isn't it?
That was, yeah, in a different class.
Can you do this one? My hand's slippery.
But my parents thought I wasn't actually ready for doing jiu-jitsu. So I moved to ballet.
Then you might have to use
But I think I got too good at ballet. And it was over. So I moved to swimming. But then I thought I was there for so long, probably a year,
Why do we put
half a
this?
year.
because they're doing swimming at school. You don't want to double up.
And we don't want to double up my swimming because on a Tuesday I go to swimming. So I moved to gymnastics. But gymnastics, you know, the teachers were the problem. They're like, what? Searching up on their phone, talking around, not even teaching them. They're just doing it. And then now I get jiu-jitsu. And I'm just busting so happy because I got a
Yeah, basically, Ate Paris received her first stripe for Jiu Jitsu yesterday.
first
Yeah, very first. And oh, good job, Papa Gil! And alam niyo ba guys, as parents, right? So Daddy Mike and I were there. And we already felt like she's going to have this stripe. So alam niyo ba, nasa ano kami, nasa loob kami ng parang office nila. Pero ano sila, tawag doon? Glass window ba? So makikita namin kung ano yung ginagawa nila. Towards the end, insert ko yung video. Towards the end, nakauna yung camera ko guys. Kasi parang na-feel ko na talaga na sa Ate Paris yung makatanggap ng stripe that day. Ay sus, talaga naman pag tinawag pangalan ni Ate Paris, nakauna ang video ko. So may video tayo kasi hindi nila sinasabi, katulad sa school, di ba? Si Ate Paris nakatanggap ng award, pero sinasabihan ka ng teacher, ganyan. But yun, parang impromptu talaga there and then sinabi nila na nakatanggap si Ate Paris ng stripe. Very proud na.
And Daddy, he said I could get to a competition when I get a gray belt. So I only have 11 more to go.
11 what?
Stripes.
Yeah.
Because I read
Nah, isn't it? Did you say 8 stripes just for?
4 for all of them. So 4 plus 4 equals 8.
That's right.
And then another 4 is 12.
No, I don't think you need that many stripes to get it up.
Tattoo. 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 Put it.
Say it like straight.
So we have tattoo. Putti. Vinegar. Sharp SEM. 5% alkaline.
What's this? Hang on. Then you're in this one. You're in this one.
Syrup.
Syrup?
Sin.
Huh?
Syrupisin.
You say it again?
Syrupisin.
Syrupisim?
Syrupisin.
Syrup.
Apisin.
Can you say it? Dato puti.
Tato puti.
Can you say it, Lini?
So I have tato puti. Vinegar.
Can you say dato puti?
Tato puti.
I haven't Lini still eating.
Oh, man. Can I have that plate?
Pata pata.
Dato? Lini, dato puti.
Pata pata.
Puti.
Pata pata. I dare you, Louie. Mom, I said I dare you, Louie. I'll dare you, Louie. Oh, my nose! Why? Sorry, guys. I made a puppet. Sorry, you may know that I made a puffer fish squishy. And it's like crunchy.
Sila niya sa random ha?
Hear it. It's a beanbag one. Or you could do it.
Ayan yung rice ko guys. Aso po. Oh. Bagong haon. Look what that is making.
Not my underwear.
Oh, that looks good. Chicken. Okay. Yeah.
I'm taking off my
Oh, the cat's there. Don't have to, Lini. Just stay there, my love.
Come in.
Lini.
I'm taking off her.
Oh.
Come say hello to Mama Cat.
Hello, mother cat.
I could pat her like this.
Oh. Hello.
She gets
How
angry
are
sometimes.
you? Where are the babies?
Oh, okay. My favorite puppy. I named one of them Puppy.
Oh. Alam niyo ba guys kung nasan kami? Nandito kami sa kapitbahay namin next door. So actually, malakad yung family today kaya nakapa-aura tayo. But before kami aalis, ay yung next door kasi namin guys, he's away. So, he's actually a vet. And nag-ask siya ng favor kay Daddy Mike na while he's away, si Daddy Mike yung mag-feed ng mga ito, yung mga maliliit na cats. So cute!
I'm not scared.
Lynn, are you going into? So, yung lakad natin today pala guys is birthday dinner. So, birthday ko last week, di ba? Birthday ng pinsan ko this week. So, kasi wala akong ginawa para sa birthday ko. Hindi kami kumain sa labas with my family. Nag-organize sila.
Hey, some of them open the eye.
Yeah, I can see that. Hoy!
Me do it.
Wait, did Jeff said it's okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, he said you could carry one or pet one at any time.
Gentle, yeah?
I like Poppy the most.
Do you?
Oh, I just made up the name. They don't even have names, you know that? They don't have names yet.
Not yet.
So I named one of them Poppy.
Gentle, Lini.
So which one's Poppy? That's Poppy. That's Poppy.
Ito yung ating pa-outfit guys for today's dinner. Well, today's dinner. Tonight's dinner. Ayan. So, first time kong isuot tong dress na to guys and I am liking it. I think Daddy Mike likes it too. Ayan. Tapos yung ating pink na heels and then paired with this little bag. Yeah. Ate, show your outfit, Bertie. Look at it. See. Look. Show me.
It goes look like this. This. Pretty close this.
How about you, Lenny? Very cute naman, oy. Kakarating lang namin. Nakatulog si baby sa ganyan sa sasakyan, guys. Ayan, ginising. Hi, Daddy. Hi, chapalong ko. Oh, she's sleeping, girl.
Mommy.
I love you so much.
Get a walk.
Okay, let's go. Where? Where? Come on, kasi everyone's doing it. Oh, you won't carry?
Let's just get a walk.
It's okay. She just woke. I just woke up, so
Let's just
tired.
go. Walk.
1, 2, 3, go!
Come on, babe.
Ayush! It's okay, Daddy. It's tired, baby girl. Dito kami, guys. Oh, Asian na mga restaurants. So, we're going to a seafood hot pot. Hot pot? Diyan, sa kabila. Ayan, mga Asian restaurants din yan dyan, guys. Kabulok dito. Viet place. Ramen. Yung mga pinsan ko kanina, guys, nakasunod lang pala sila sa amin. So, dinner 6:30. We're on time, princess. Nandun na, oh. Pasok na sila, oh. Seafood hot pot buffet. Hi, Nat.
Hi.
How are ya?
Very good.
Very good.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, Kyra.
Pretty cold there.
Big girl. Hello.
Hello, Kyla.
Woo. Keep going. Hi. Hi, Joy.
In that table there.
How are you? Hi, Ta. So beautiful, eh? Hi, Kim. How are you? Hi, Ta. How are you? How's your mama? Yeah, Nada. Hi, baby. Say hi. Say hi. Hi, hello, Ta. Happy birthday. Oh, beautiful, Tita. Thank you, Ta. Thank you. Say hi, Nana.
Galit naman ka, marami sa iyo na mo.
Oh yeah,
It's latter.
Hi, how are you?
Wait, please. Hi. Nakaloy ba ito din na?
1, 2, 3, go. How are you, Ja? Yes, thank you.
This is for Auntie Jovi. Happy birthday. Happy belated birthday.
Marco got make it. Of course.
He says happy birthday. Even though he was there last time. Yeah.
Where are we sitting?
How are you sitting? Me? Isa ko with the stuff.
Now,
Hello. I love you, hug me.
so much you guys.
Meron silang pabulaklak sa akin, guys. Flowers for you.
Mom, wait. I thought you got the candy strand.
So, tatlo yung aming lamesa dito, guys. Ito yung sa aming dito ko, doon. And then, doon din. Tapos kami dito. Nat, got you red-handed. I got you red-handed. I got you red-handed. Eating already, yeah? Diyan sa Cecil, enjoy. How is that?
This is our adopted child.
Adopted. What have we got here? Humba niti? Humba man siguro ni. Ara! Hoy! Rice is life, Miss Daddy.
I'm joking, I'm joking.
Hi, Sabah.
Hello.
Sababang ka na. Ah, yeah, just put this one. Ah, okay. Which one would you like, honey?
Can I just get that with my hand? I can't use it with chopsticks.
I think they have tongs now. Yes. Wait. Is it the whole noodle? Yeah. What else? Oh, this one. May mga meat din pala dyan eh. First time ko dito eh.
Ooh, that.
Huh?
Bacon?
I don't know, did you just bring it?
Is this bacon?
Yes, meat. Yeah.
Bacon. Which one's bacon?
Yes, very spicy food. You want it?
Daddy, this high got better.
It's not. Tyrus, can you eat the food please first? Tingnan nyo. Fried rice, hipon, may paa ng baboy. Meaning, this one. Here, lamb.
This is how little Paris is eating. It's very small. Don't judge her. She's got a small belly. So don't judge. She's just doing her thing.
Hina-hina lang ha, matukad. Gusto sa pigas? And Lily is cooking. Lily, want cooking? Are you making a potion?
Yeah, I'm rich.
Aaron's in the Middle East.
You're rich.
I got it.
She's making a potion though.
I'm not.
Look, gentle anak. Mushroom soup. Sarap guys. How old are you na, Jeff? 19 ba? Ano daw, 18? 19 na, guys?
Guys, he's still single.
I know. Yeah. Ay, di na rin siya single. Wala na ka ba yan? Nanay kay Mew.
Sorry, he's not single anymore.
He's not single na di ay. Kadagpo kay silang takuri. Bayad took my time. Did you Selene with her tita, oh. Ay, sus, naraman dahil sila dere ay. Tambay-tambay.
Oh no. Chocolate driver? You can already do that one.
Like, how that I didn't know
Andito na kami guys, sa loob. Ayan ang paket nila. So, buti na lang, kaninang umaga ay niready ko na yung mga dadalhin ni Mami bukas guys. Kasi bukas is Sunday, bibenta tayo. Niready ko na lahat. Wala na akong kailangan gawin tonight.
Yo, is it just in that grand or?
Kaya nandito kami. Yung oras sabi? 9:05.
Oh, just go to any grand about like fucking
9:05. So it's okay. 22nd birthday. Ay, ka-baby pa. Baby pa.
Nama no?
Baby pa man mo.
Oh,
Pink.
I know that lady. That's why I see it. No, of course it is.
It's the wrong one. May ganay kay wala. Ginamit na sa
Kasi birthday.
Ba, nakita niyo mo sa birthday.
These are like a skin girlfriend thing.
Everyone, gonna sing happy birthday. Stand up for
Turn around this way.
What is that? Yeah, you can use that.
The mascara.
Okay. Perfect timing, ah.
Yeah, put it that thing now.
Okay, handa, awit.
Yang.
That's different.
Panatang makabayan.
You want the hot? You want the hot Mexican hot?
Na.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear EJ. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hooray! Make a wish.
I wish I get my car back.
Yeah. Did you sing, Min? Tini, did you sing?
Yeah.
Oh.
Can you see how you're climbing this hole?
Oh, that's Tita Joy. You can ask Tita Joy, okay?
Awesome.
You ask her. You say, Tita Joy, can I take this home?
Oh, yeah.
Come on, you ask. So she said, like, can I take this home? I said, like, you have to ask Tita Joy.
Because the low here is very strong. The low here is very
Good job, baby.